The Domino Perfect Choice Duet from AH Beard gives you a top-quality double-sided pillow top construction, allowing the mattress to be turned and rotated. The Ultra Loft quilt includes detailed designed quality damask fabric and premium Performer foam for luxury comfort. The mattress comfort system uses additional high-quality foam for medium conforming comfort, which caters for most tastes. The Contour Coil 3-zone spring system will also support you with an emphasis on correct sleeping alignment. Edge-to-edge support is provided by AH Beard's Profile Edge Support technology and results in a larger sleeping area. Backed by a 10-year warranty and endorsed by the National Asthma Council of Australia, this double-sided pillow top mattress is the ultimate in value for money.